Hey guys! Welcome to IQ Search Channel. What is the value of the expression 144 divided by 12 then times 2 plus 4 inside the parentheses and finally divided by 3? This expression looks very simple, but only 5% of people can solve it. Alright, to solve this question we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. As you can see on the screen, and in this expression we have a division, multiplication, then parentheses, and finally again division. According to PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parenthesis, because parentheses has higher priority than all other operations. Now we simplify this expression as 144 divided by 12 then times 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Finally divided by 3. Now we have division, multiplication, and then again division. First we do division between 144 and 12. We write 144 inside the division and 12 outside the division. First we take two digits and then 12 times 1 equals to 12. For bring down and then subtract 2 from 4, that gives us 2. And finally 12 times 2 equals to 24, and then remainder is 0. So the quotient is 12 then times 6 divided by 3. Now we have multiplication and division. First we do multiplication between 12 and 6, that equals to 72. Then divided by 3. Now we write 72 inside the division and 3 outside the division. First we take one digit, that is 7, and 3 times 2 equals to 6. Now bring down 2 and subtract 6 from 7, that equals to 1. Finally 3 times 4 equals to 12. So the remainder is 0. Hence the quotient is 24. And this is the final answer to this expression. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.